Hello!
Today we're gonna do this unboxing. I knew this running a show in Miami Swim Week, so I'm super excited. I'm completely obsessed. I'm thinking about her with a black skirt. So let's check it out. Okay, this is it. I like it. This top is amazing.
So look at the details.
Have this new heel. Okay, now I'm ready. I think the shoes are perfect because they make me look taller and they're comfortable. Let's not forget our cute bag.